Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed be your name, thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed be your name, thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed, hallowed, hallowed. Come on. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. The one who, hallowed, who answers prayers. The one who, the one who, the one who, yeah. The one who, the one who, yeah. Call a response. The one, come on. The one, the one, the one, the one who healed the sick, the one who raised the dead, the one who opened blind eyes, the one, the champion, the one, my hero, the one, master of the universe, the one, the one, yeah. Hallowed, 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 hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed, 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 thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed, 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 thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed, hallowed, many years ago, blind Bartimaeus, he called out, he cried out, Jesus, Ọmọ Dáfídì, ṣàánú mi, open my eyes, I want to see. And he changed the game for him. The one, the woman with the issue of blood, 12 years of ceaseless flow. She was broke, relegated, abandoned. She said, if I can touch the hem of the garment, the game will change. Can I hear you say, the one, the one, the one, the one. Lazarus, 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, dead and buried. His matter was concluded. His matter was settled, signed, delivered. Jesus showed up. They say if he had come earlier, you could have resolved it. He said, I am the resurrection and the life. Come on, the one, the one. How many hours did it take? One call, Lazarus, comfort. And he that was bound came walking out of the grave. Come on, the one, the one, the one, the one, the one who answered prayers is your name. Hallowed, hallowed, hallowed. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed, hallowed, hallowed. Hallowed, hallowed. The one who answers prayers is your name. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers. The one who calms the storms. The one who fixes things. He said delay has come to an end. Da, 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 da. The one who The one when you show up, everything changes. Game changer. He causes rain to fall. The one, the author of times and seasons. The author of times and seasons. The one who bled and died. The one who rose again. Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayers is your name. Hallowed, hallowed, hallowed. Hallowed, hallowed. The one who answers prayers is hallowed, 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 hallowed. Hallowed, hallowed. The one who answers prayers is your name. Prayer answering God, we have come. We have come. We know you settle things. We have come. Papa, many issues in the room, but we abandon them and we pour out our worship. Just like Job and the many who have laid an example for us. You are the author and the finisher. You are the one. You are the one. You are the one. Everything else is distractions. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers is your name. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers is your name.
Hello, thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was a great asset to you. And I hope it was also very useful time. If you haven't commented, if you haven't liked, please do that. And for more videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos. God bless you.